Good morning, students of class 8. Today, the explanation of the fourth part of the lesson Bipin Babu's Lefts of Memory. So, in this paragraph, we have completed up to that Vipin Babu has gone to Ranchi first to cross check the number of the things of his past, whatever the unknown man Parimal Ghosh has told to Vipin Babu. Vipin Babu wanted to clear out everything about his life. So, for the confirmation, Vipin Babu has gone to Ranchi. And when Vipin Babu returned to Calcutta, his hometown, once again, then from there we are going to start the next paragraph reading. Reading is going to start back home. Back home, he rang up Dr. Chanda and asked him to come over. Then, after a shower means after a bath, he got into bed with an ice bag clamped on his head. Just then, the servant brought him a letter which someone had left in the letter box. A greenish envelope with his name in a red ink on it. Above the name it said urgent and confidential. In spite of his condition, Bipin Babu had a feeling that he ought to go through the letter. He tore open the envelope and took out the letter. That is what he read. In these two paragraphs, when Bipin Babu has returned from Ranchi and the next day when in Calcutta, Bipin Babu has taken the shower and came in the bed, and Vipin Babu was so much depressed and confused that his head was spinning, so Vipin Babu has kept the ice bag on his head. So, and when on the same time he has called his doctor, Dr. Chanda, to confirming that he has been returned from Ranchi and wanted to meet with Dr. Chanda. Just at the same time, Bipin Babu has got one letter which is brought by, and said Bipin Babu's servant has brought one letter. The letter's envelope was green and letter name was written with a red color, and it was written really very confidential, and it was written there on the letter urgent and confidential. Then Bipin Babu has opened the letter and started to read. Whatever he read, I am going to read in the second paragraph. Yes, dear Bipin, I had no idea that affluence would bring about the kind of change in you that it has done. Was it so difficult for you to help out an old friend down on his luck? I have no money, so my resources are limited. What I have is imagination, a part of which I used in retribution of your unfeeling behavior. When Well, you will be all right again now. A novel I have written is being considered by a publisher. If it likes, if it enough, it will see me through the next few months. Yours, Chunni Lal. When Dr. Chanda came, Vipin Babu said, I am fine. It all came back as soon as I got the train at Ranchi. A unique case, said Dr. Chanda. I shall certainly write about it in a medical journal. The reason why I sent for you, said Bipin Babu, is that I have a pain in the hip from the fall I had in Ranchi. So, if you could prescribe a painkiller. This lesson was written by this story was written by Satyajit Ray, the Indian poet. Whatever in this paragraphs, whatever had been when Vipin Babu has started to read the letter, so it was written in the letter that dear Vipin. Actually, it was the letter of Chunnilal, and Chunni Lal has written this letter in a confidential mode to recover or to tell his urgency about about his urgency and poverty to Vipin Babu. But Vipin Babu was not getting that things. So so his friend Vipin Babu friend Chunni Lal has written a kind of this mischief that he has told that Vipin Babu his job was not so more, and Vipin Babu, Chunni Lal has no money. Chunni Lal has no has limited resources, and Vipin Babu, try to think about your friend, because Chunni Babu has created these all things for writing a novel. So he has mentioned also in the letter that this mischief or overall this imagination has been created by his friend Chunni Lal to write a novel, and this if this novel will be written, then publisher would offer some money also. So when Dr. Chanda came, then Vipin Babu said, "Okay, sir, I am totally fine. And whenever I have returned from Ranchi, I am totally recovered." So Dr. Chanda has been also very happy, because Dr. Chanda was not the insane doctor, but Dr. Chanda has suggested the thing and that has worked. Dr. Chanda has told, then why have you called me? Then Vipin Babu has told, actually I was bathing in the fall of Hudru at Ranchi, so I have problem in my hip. So please write down some the medicines for as a painkiller. So Dr. Chanda has told, okay, and overall this lesson has been finished. And the question behind the lesson was that the question was written by, actually, for this only, that there was some question comprehension checks about two questions and two more questions. I would write down in your personal questions topic. Thanks a lot. Today this lesson is going to finish. Have a nice day. The next lesson we will start from the next day.